Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Petlibro filter is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your furry friend's health, ensuring they always have access to clean, fresh water. This video will take you through everything you need to know about replacing your Petlibro water filter, from understanding the importance of regular replacements to a step-by-step guide on how to do it quickly and easily, keeping your pet happy and hydrated. Number 5. Petlibro PLWF002 filters. These filters are designed to keep your pet's water fresh and clean. They're compatible with the Petlibro PLWF002 fountain and are easy to use. You'll receive 8 filter packs and 8 pre-filter sponges. That's enough to keep your pet hydrated for months. It thoroughly removes hair, dirt, and other impurities. Your pet will always have access to purified water. Just soak it for 5 minutes before placing it in the fountain. It's that easy. For optimal performance, replace them every 2 weeks. This ensures your pet's water stays fresh and clean. This 8-pack set provides 4 months of clean, fresh water for your furry friend. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your pet is well hydrated. What we like? It offers a convenient 4-month supply with pre-filters. If you're looking for a long-lasting, budget-friendly option that includes pre-filters for optimal performance, this is a great choice. This will save you money on replacements and ensure your pet always has clean water. What people say? The design of this thing is far superior to the fountain we had before. The mechanism for the water movement is in a place where pet hair is far less likely to clog it up. It is buried in water like in a fish tank, and so it is super quiet. I can't even hear it. Very easy to set up and easy to clean. It came with filter and they are replaced every 2 weeks. Easy to change and not prohibitively expensive. It is transparent with a max and min fill lines, so it is easy to see when to fill it, and when filled to the max goes for days without needing to be topped up. The design makes it easy to assemble and disassemble the fountain. It's easy to clean every surface with the provided brush. The pump has a minimum number of pieces to disassemble clean, and the fountain base has an indentation for the pump placement. This indentation makes it extremely easy to realign the parts for reassembly after cleaning. Number 4. Petlibro replacement filters. These filters keep your pet's water fountain fresh and clean. They're designed for optimal performance and your pet's health. You'll receive 8 individual filter packs and 8 pre-filter sponges. Each is individually packaged for your convenience. It uses a multi-layer filtration system. This removes impurities and delivers oxygen-rich, great-tasting water for your furry friend. It features activated carbon, ion exchange resin, and non-woven fabric to remove odors, heavy metals, and hair. A final sponge prevents blockages. Soak each filter for 5 minutes and rinse for 30 seconds before first use. Replace every 2 weeks, or more often if needed. What we like? This boasts a superior multi-layer filtration system for exceptionally clean water. If you prioritize the health of your pet and want the best filtration technology available, this is the one for you. The individually packaged filters ensure freshness and hygiene. What people say? It's easy to clean, very quiet, and very sturdy. It's compact and great on space. The setup of this fountain is super simple. The instructions are clear, but you really don't even need them. Everything is intuitive, and the fountain really only fits together one way. The water flow is excellent, and it is very quiet. The lack of a window to monitor water level is what kept me from purchasing this sooner. I didn't think that the red light that notifies you when the water level is low would be noticeable enough, but it really is. And surprisingly, the motor shut off when the level is too low actually works. When operating, the fountain is very quiet. I don't hear any motor sound at all, and very little water sound. Refilling is quite simple. You can remove the bowl from the base, remove the top and fill it per the instructions. This fountain is so easy to clean. Fewer parts, easy to put back together, and because of the wireless motor, so much easier to clean without worrying about the power end of a cord getting wet while you're struggling to take the motor apart for cleaning. This fountain cuts the cleaning time in half at least, and because of the ease of cleaning, I've been much better about cleaning more frequently, every 2 weeks as recommended. Number 3. Petlibro Cat Water Fountain Filters. These filters are designed for your Petlibro stainless steel cat water fountain. They keep your pet's water fresh and clean. It's compatible with both the 2L and 3L Petlibro fountains, models PLWF003 and PLWF006. Make sure you're using genuine Petlibro filters for optimal performance. You'll receive 4 filters and 4 sponges in this package. Replacement is quick and easy. The 3-layer filter removes hair, heavy metals, and improves water taste. This encourages your pet to drink more water, reducing urinary tract issues. Before first use, soak the filter for 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Replace every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your pet's drinking habits. This set provides 2 months worth of clean, fresh water for your furry friend. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your pet is well hydrated. What we like? It's a cost-effective option with an improved filtration system. If you need a reliable replacement filter for your stainless steel fountain and want a balance between cost and quality, this is a good choice. The improved filter design ensures your pet drinks cleaner water. What people say? The filter design is very effective. When cleaning, any cat fur, food particles, etc. are trapped in the filter area and the rest of the water supply appears clean. Not only does this fountain have a filter just like your Keurig machine, but the water coming into my condo is filtered the moment it's inside my unit via RO. The filters say they last 2 weeks and you are supplied with 4 filters, however considering the amount of filtering going on here, I think this will last me 4 months. It's sturdy, they can't knock this one over. It's stainless steel, so good for cleanliness. The flow is decent, it's about 2 inches high. Number 2. Petlibro Replacement Filters. It's designed for the Petlibro 71 ounces 2.1 lbpa free capsule pet water fountain. Double check the dimensions if you're unsure. It's an oval filter, approximately 7 inches long, 3.6 inches wide, and 0.4 inches thick. It's the perfect fit for your fountain. They use a triple filtration system with cotton, activated carbon, and ion exchange resin. This effectively removes hair and heavy metals, keeping the water fresh and tasting great. To prevent carbon dust, soak it for 5 minutes and rinse before first use. Change them every 1 to 2 weeks in summer and 2 to 4 weeks in winter, more often if you have multiple pets. This pack includes 12 individually sealed filters, providing 3 to 12 months worth, depending on your needs. That's a lot of clean water. Have questions? We're here to help. Contact us anytime for assistance with your filters. What we like? This provides an incredibly long-lasting supply of filters. If you're looking for maximum convenience and value with a triple filtration system, this is perfect. You won't have to worry about replacing filters for a very long time. What people say? They were not the same size or shape even though it was advertised as compatible with my water fountain. I'll stick with these because they work perfectly. We love our Petlibro water fountain and this keeps the water clean and fresh. So far it's been a great filter to accompany the pet water fountain. Works well every time. These fit the water fountain perfectly. Number 1. Petlibro PLWF002 filters. These filters are perfect for your Petlibro capsule pet water fountain, model PLWF002. Make sure you have the right one for optimal performance. It features a 3-stage filtration system. This removes hair, dirt, and impurities, keeping the water fresh and clean for your pet. The package includes 16 filters, 8 main filters and 8 pre-filters. That's enough for 3 to 8 months, depending on usage. For best results, soak each filter for 5 minutes and rinse for 30 seconds before first use. Remember to replace them every 2 to 4 weeks. We're here to help. Contact us if you have any questions about these filters or anything else. What we like? It offers a super long-lasting supply with pre-filters. If you need a large quantity of filters to last for a long time and don't want to constantly buy replacements, this is the best option. The extra filters and pre-filters ensure your pet always has access to clean, fresh water. What people say? Works as a great replacement for the Petlibro water fountain I have for my cats. It arrived quickly, and just as advertised, fit as expected. Helps keep the water fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.